Okay, so here we are in Canvas. Now I'm going to do a walkthrough of our Canvas site, which is our Edmonds Community College host site for the class. And then we'll go through McGraw-Hill after we've gone through Canvas. So to start off with, you see this is a modular system. So you got week by the week there, except for our start module here, where you can click on each individual one and it gives you the details. Okay, and then here's week one. So you have to complete. You see it says view, submit, view, view, and view. Okay, so you have to have viewed all of these, and in this case you have to introduce yourself, which is done through the discussion session. When you click on this, you'll go to that discussion, and that way everybody in the class gets to meet you and I get to meet you, etc. But that's the key. Each one of these things have to be viewed and submitted before you're given access to the next module. So remember, I see this is grayed out because as I'm demonstrating this, I haven't completed everything in the start menu. So you can look at a section, but it's grayed out. You can't get into it until you've actually done everything in the prior module. Okay, now where can you go to see what the assignments are? Well, over here in the right sidebar, you've got, these are all of the things that are in my calendar as assignments with the same due dates. They're all in chronological order. So this is one place you can see what you have to do. Another place you can go is to assignments, and that will list all of the assignments there that I have for the entire course that are both in Connect and in Canvas. Okay, now another place, now you can go here to grades. You can see your assignments in grades. Okay, and that shows the points allowed for each one and your score on them as you've done them. Okay, and then you can go to syllabus, and the syllabus also shows everything by its due date down here. The same, you can access all the assignments by this page here too. Okay, that, okay, and then in the sidebar here, any discussion the whole class can be involved in. If you want to send me a private message, just have a question that you just want to deal directly with me on, you can go to the inbox and that will deal directly with me. Okay, so either way, your choice on that. Okay, so let's see, we've covered that, key issues there in Canvas. Now, let's go to Mcgraw-Hill. So here we go. So here we are in Mcgraw-Hill Connect. And it's got like modules, like Canvas does to some extent. But, okay, so you start off at the top with a welcome. I have some intro videos there that kind of walk you through how the Smart Book works and how the conceptual videos work. And then I have a demonstration video here I'd like you to watch, which is how to use Excel in multi-windows with Connect. Because Excel makes it a lot easier to do these problems where there's all these calculations, much easier than using your calculator. So please take a look at that. So then here's a typical chapter assignment. Smart Book. In the syllabus, I give you details about Smart Book. Essentially, this can go very fast if when you read it, you get all the answers exactly right. If you make mistakes in the questions that they have, they're all multiple choice, then it will end up making you read part of the text and then redo that question again later with different numbers. So it'll go, Smart Book is a great learning tool, but you cannot submit Smart Book. It self-submits after you've got all the questions answered 100% correct. So keep that in mind. Pay attention when you're doing those answers. You don't want to get them wrong. Okay, conceptual overviews is like a video of the textbook. And it's, it's got the narration of the text and whatnot. Now, you don't have to watch the videos. If you learn the information from Smart Book, you can just do the multiple choice questions. And in Chapter 8, there's like 25 of them. So you'll save a lot of time if you learn the material in Smart Book. And then in the overview videos, you can just answer the questions and not do the videos. And the same, by the way, in Smart Book, you don't have to watch the video. If you've read the book somewhere else, you could just answer the questions. But also, if you can't figure it out in conceptual overviews, you can watch the video and get through it there. Okay, and then homework. Homework is where the most work is in the class, and that's why I encourage you to use Excel with that. And that's really the key point. Your quizzes and exams are really, your problems are coming out of these homework assignments, okay? Unlimited attempts, unlimited attempts. On a quiz, it's 2 attempts in 180 minutes. And for exams, it's 1 attempt and 200 minutes. I put practice in here just for you to try out. These are all the problems available for Chapter 8 and multiple choice questions in practice. If you want them in future chapters, just request that. Okay, so that's Chapter 8, and you'll see if you went to Chapter 9, it's pretty much the same thing. Okay, and it works all the way through. We got the time value of money, then Chapter 10, all the way through for the whole quarter right there. So that is an overview of Connect, McGraw-Hill's Connect. All right, well, best wishes to you all. I hope this review is making you feel comfortable with working through the class this quarter. If you have any questions, you can send me an inbox question or a discussion question, and I will jump right on it. Thank you very much. Thomas Harmer checking out.